Hello, this short tutorial will show you how to set up your password as a new student and also how to set up your password if you forgot your password. So if you're a new student, you should have received an acceptance letter, and in that letter, you should have your username and your ID number. Okay, if you've forgotten your ID number or your username, you could email IT help here, or you could also call them at this phone number here. Okay, so if you're a new student, you want to enter your username here, and then your password is going to be welcome, comma, your ID number, and the welcome has a capital W. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my password and put it in here and hit login. So after I hit login, it takes me to the password policy page. As a new student, I need to read the policy and then agree to it, okay? So I'm going to hit accept. After I accept the policy, it's going to ask me to set up 3 security questions. You want to make sure you can remember your security questions, okay? So I can pick from this list of security questions, and I can pick any one of these, okay? So I'll pick what was my favorite movie. And I will save my question, and then it logs that I have changed that question. I'm going to pick another question, okay? And then hit save question. And then it's going to ask me another question, right? And then I can pick any one of these questions. And then I can save the question. And when I'm done, it'll say continue. If I want to change any of these questions, I can delete and set up again. So right now I want to hit continue. Then it's going to ask me, what's my current password? Remember, my current password is this welcome, my ID number, because I haven't actually changed my password yet. So my current password needs to be that welcome, comma, my ID number. And then I'm going to set up a new password. And so for new passwords, you need to remember that it needs to be at least 8 characters long, and it needs to have 3 out of the 4 of these following categories: an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter and a base digit from 0 to 9 or anything non-alphabetic. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and set up our new password. Okay. And then hit submit. All right. And right now, my account is set up and complete. Okay. So I can log out of here. And then if the future rolls along and I've forgotten my password, I can come back to the password manager page and click on forgot password, and all I need to remember is my username. And for new students, that's typically your first dot last name. So I'm going to put in my username and I'm going to hit submit. Okay, and then it's going to start asking me my security questions that I make sure I remember. So what happens here is then it gives me this new password, right, that I need to remember. So what I'm going to do is just copy this and then hit continue. Remember, my username is the same, and I'm going to put that new password that the system just gave me, put it in here, and then hit log in. And then I'm going to paste that new password the system gave me here. And then I'm going to create my new password. And hit submit. And it says my password was changed successfully. All right, so that's how to set up your password as a new student and how to set your password if you forgot your password. Again, if you have any questions, you can email IT help here or call them here.